Some morning from beautiful San Diego. This tall engineer needs to put in a prop rod because it is so annoying to bang your head on this. So this is a red line tuning kit that I got. The aluminum piece fits inside the hood here, and then this big washer that has got slight spring to it tightens it, and then there's a nice ball on it, and then we'll do the other end in a minute. So this just slips in here. Turn it a little bit sideways. It's got a nice little sheen part. It locks in, and then you put some downward pressure on it. A little bit of feel to it. Turned sideways on me, so this is going to be definitely harder than I thought. Yeah, it does not want to stay. I may have gotten it. It says the instructions to put it in the middle, and then the instructions say to use a socket, but I'm going to use a combination wrench. Very little engagement. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I have a deep socket, but it doesn't look like that wants to work. Oh yeah. Definitely feel it get tight as the conical washer goes away. Okay, so now the other end requires you take out the fender bolt to place this end. So we'll take that out. Oop, need the 10mm, not the 13. Good close-up of my hot tomato car. Yeah. I'll probably mask that and put a bead of silicone around it after I figure out if this is going to work. Let's go on. This tool obviously has a long story to it that I won't bore you with, but it definitely involves a supposed blown thermostat in the middle of the night. So here are the prop rods. Very nice. Reread the instructions again. Okay, that was actually much easier than it made to imply. And that'll bounce in there. Get to use my head prop rod, which I have my expert cameraman here doing this, and there it goes. So that's the right side, and even that supports it. And it is so much nice to be a good 6 inches taller. So there they are, both struts in place, all done, very easy, snapped in place very quickly, and as we'll see, with 2 struts on board, it basically gently goes up and stops. So it's very nice. And at least another 8 inches of head clearance, so I can lean over and check my oil valve having to crouch and bend my old back.